Welcome to the future of outdoor living. Megavent introduces its state-of-the-art Courtyard retractable roofs, designed to elevate your outdoor experience to a new level of comfort, convenience, and style. Our retractable roofs are engineered to adapt to your needs. Whether you're hosting a summer party, enjoying a peaceful evening, or seeking shelter from unpredictable weather, Megavent's retractable roofs provide the perfect solution. Open up your space to the sky or close it off for cozy protection with just a touch of a button. Built to withstand the elements, Megavent roofs are constructed with high-quality, weather-resistant materials. Enjoy year-round outdoor living, knowing that your retractable roof can handle everything from harsh sun and heavy rain to snow and wind. Ready to transform your courtyard? Contact Megavent today to learn more about our retractable roof solutions and get a free consultation. Experience the ultimate in outdoor living with Megavent.